Hello friends, this is my assignment in week 4. So uh, this project is basically we turn on in the first condition when we start the simulation, the LED is blink, and when we press the push button, so the LED is stay, doesn't blink. When we don't press, so the LED is blink again. Okay, this is my code. So this is simple. First, we set up uh, which pin that we use for input and output. So in this project, I use pin 11 as input and pin 12 as output. And then we use while loop, and then if GPIO.input, this is we check the pin 11. If there is input, there is voltage in pin 11, so we set the output pin, that is pin 12, as true or high. So the pin 12 give output, and then we use time.sleep. But if there's no input in pin 11, so this is block of code for blink the LED. So this is output in the pin 12. We set true, and then delay 1 second, and then off, and then delay 1 second, and then on again, delay, on off, so on. This is for blink LED. Okay, this is the code. Let's try once again. When we start the simulation, so the LED is blinked. When we push the push button, so the lamp is stay, doesn't blink. When we don't press, the LED is blinked. Okay, I hope this video is useful. Thanks for watching.